This severe weather forecast comes to you from the Next Weather Studio. Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
We need to be on the lookout for flash flooding over the next 48 to maybe 72 hours. Right now, we don't have much going on in the metro area. There's a few sprinkles showing up there earlier in Henry County. Looks like they're still getting a little sprinkle there. And then earlier, southern Paulding into Douglas County, a little thunderstorm showing up. But what we can expect as we go through tonight, and especially Friday and Saturday, and possibly even early Sunday, is the chance for rain to train over the same areas. So we're looking at a stationary front right across the northern part of the state. As the name indicates, it's not going to be moving very much over the next couple of days, and that's going to be the focus for all this tropical moisture to kick off showers and thunderstorms. In addition to that, daytime heating is going to help out. So you're looking here north of the metro, mainly from Gainesville all the way back into Tennessee and then back to the state line with Alabama. We do have a flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. Friday. Wouldn't be surprised to actually see that one stretched out. So if you're in these areas in yellow for tonight, it looks like about a 15% chance of some flash flooding. That's mainly going to be really North Georgia. I'm not concerned about the rest of the state just yet. For tomorrow, that's more important. I think that's when we're really going to see those rain chances increase across the area. I'm going to give you the big picture now, what we're looking at, and I'm going to show you where the front is. You can see it pretty well when you look at the satellite and radar, because that line of green that stretches across Alabama through Georgia and back into the Carolinas, that is the location of the front. Now, as we get into the end of the weekend, the front is going to sink to the south a little bit. It'll be followed up by a stronger front next week that will probably give us a little bit cooler temperatures. So that's good news. But this is the next 48 hours of rainfall now, starting from currently going through the overnight tonight, which you can see is fairly quiet. But then look at Friday. We really start to fill in across the state. We'll see a little bit of a daytime fluctuation with daytime heating. Here comes your Saturday thunderstorms, and we go on into Sunday with another chance of rain, though that will be decreasing as we get towards the end of the weekend. So just be on the lookout, because heavy rain is possible across the entire southeastern United States. This is good news for the drought, maybe not such great news if you're going to be traveling. Your next 7 days look like this. You'll start off with cloudy skies, chance of rain increasing, going up to 60–70% by Friday and Saturday. And then we're on the downhill slide as far as rainfall is concerned. A lot more sunshine in the forecast. And again, the front's going to be just to the south of us, so the humidity may be just a little bit less. Every afternoon, you've got a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, but it's going to be hot as we are in the dog days of summer. Joshua?
Orland, thank you very much.